Samsung's next foldable phone, the Galaxy Z Fold 8, could be in for some major changes, ones that might finally bring back a feature fans have been begging for. And no, it's not just about design, it's about the S Pen. So here's the scoop. According to new reports, Samsung is seriously considering ditching titanium and switching over to carbon fiber reinforced plastic for the Z Fold 8. Now, why does this matter? Two big reasons. Back-end index pointing right first, titanium might look premium, but it's expensive, harder to source, especially with supply chain tensions, and not exactly S Pen friendly. Back-end index pointing right second, carbon fiber, while less flashy, actually works better with the digitizer layer that's required for stylus support. And yes, that could open the door for the return of the S Pen. Remember, the Z Fold 7 and Z Fold 6 skipped stylus support entirely. But Samsung hasn't given up just yet. In fact, insiders claim the company is working on a thinner, lighter, more advanced S Pen, possibly one that doesn't even need the traditional digitizer. If that happens, Fold users may finally get the best of both worlds, an ultra-thin foldable with full pen functionality. But that's not the only thing Samsung is reportedly rethinking for the Fold 8. Fans have been vocal about three key upgrades. White heavy checkmark durability. The Z Fold 7 is slim and light, but it still lacks true dust resistance. At nearly $2,000, a foldable with only an IP48 rating feels incomplete. Rival devices like the Pixel Fold and Vivo's foldables already boast IP68, which means Samsung is playing catch-up here. White heavy checkmark displays. Foldable screens still feel soft and plasticky, even with ultra-thin glass. The Fold 7 screen is tougher than before, but users want a more glass-like feel, less glare, better scratch resistance, and, of course, a crease-free experience. Samsung has made progress, but the Fold 8 could be the generation where things finally change. Wide heavy checkmark cameras and battery. Samsung gave the Fold 7 a huge leap with a 200MP main sensor, but the telephoto and ultra-wide cameras are starting to feel outdated. Meanwhile, charging is still stuck at 25W, even though competitors are racing ahead with faster solutions. Fans are hoping the Fold 8 not only bumps up battery capacity, but also introduces faster charging tech to match. And here's where things get even more exciting. Samsung may not stop at just one Fold 8. Rumors suggest that in 2026, we could see two full-sized foldables, one of which might be a wide fold with a square inner display. That could be Samsung's way of striking first before Apple enters the foldable market. Bottom line, if Samsung really does bring back S Pen support, improve durability, and push foldable tech forward, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 might just be the foldable phone fans have been waiting for. So what do you think? Should Samsung bring back the S Pen or focus on durability first? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, back-end index pointing down, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more upcoming Samsung updates.